Hello friends, welcome. In this video, we are going to use VLOOKUP formula at a time for 3 cells. In earlier video, by giving one input, we are expecting one output. Right here, by giving employee ID as input, at a time I am expecting employee name, designation and salary. We'll see how does it works. The first important thing is that if you wanted to apply VLOOKUP formula on multiple cells, before applying the formula, make sure to select all necessary cells. I have selected employee name, designation and salary. Then start typing the formula. E equals to VLOOKUP. That's a formula. And first what it is asking, lookup value. I am looking for employee ID VC2, comma, table array. Select the entire table. It's done, and then put a comma and then column index number. In general VLOOKUP, we used to enter any one column number. Let's say this is column number 1. I need employee name, so column number 2. I need designation, so column number 3. I need salary, so column number 4. But in this case, you just add flower brace, and I need first employee name. So in this selected data, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. I need column 2, comma, 3, comma, 4 respectively. Close the flower brace, comma, and you just go for true, 0 for exact match, 1 for false. I go for 0 exact match, then press enter. I got at a time. If you see VC2 Bob Smith, he is an assistant manager and his salary was 53,867. If you keep, let's say now I go for the VC10. I type here the value VC10 and I can see the value all are changed. VC10 is for Jack Levis, data scientist, 1,18,657. In this way, you can use VLOOKUP formula at a time for multiple things also, right? I will also provide these formula separately in this Excel sheet, so you also can use this when you are doing the practicals. Okay, you need to apply this kind of formula, but make sure you try to focus on understanding the formula first. So once rewatch this video. Thank you.